baby, so today I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing something that I have never ever done before, like in my whole life, not just on this channel, like, cause most of the stuff I did on this channel I've already did before, like, but like not recorded, or I probably have recorded it but just didn't post it. So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make a car like make it sound like you're driving with the imvu series. So of course you want to go to not TikTok, imvu. Let me see this notification. So of course you just want to go to a chat room. Well, a driving chat room. Let me go to my favorites. There's only 2 chat rooms that allows you to drive, but just Sunset Road, which is full, and this one right here. So I'm just gonna go to this one. Since I'm already screen recording, wait, is the mic on? Okay, yes. But since I'm already screen recording, I don't need to do nothing else. But I am going to actually record a actual different whole clip. Wait, hold on now. So yeah, let me go ahead and get into it. Alright, you guys, so I'm in my room right now, and I'm just about to put my phone, I said my phone. I'm about to put my fan up and see what happens now, you guys. Cause this better go ahead and work, because guys, I am not lying to y'all. Okay, so let me turn it all the way up. And now, let me go to my app CapCut. And my fan is really loud. So, yeah. And let me go ahead and delete this again. Okay, I'll get off of the app and then press just delete. Now, let me go back to imvu. And y'all already know that I'm about to redo it. So, yeah. Let me get in the car or whatever. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm back, and so now we're gonna go back to CapCut. New project, of course, and this is 25 seconds, but let's listen to it. Yeah, y'all see that's the audio now, y'all hear that? So, let me go to volume and go to, okay, and that's not all you gotta do. That is not all. So now you just want to go here and press speed. I'm gonna make my own edit and then just put all of these up to the high. Oh guys, wait, hold on. So they two like close together though. So let me turn these up. So it actually sounds like a car, y'all. So that is it for today's tutorial. I know it's a little short or whatever, but so that is really how you that is how you make it sound like a car. And it took me a little bit of time to figure out how to do it, you guys, but I still did it. As y'all can see, I still did it, you guys. I still did it right this time. Because you know how I said last time it wasn't working, but last time it was like my normal air conditioner and my fan. So last time it sounded like way better, but that's cool. It's okay. Oh! No, my phone just dropped. It's okay, guys. So, peace be you, babies. Don't forget to like and subscribe and make that bell ring. Comment down below what other videos I should do for y'all, what y'all want. The next video. Oh, yeah. And I will be dropping videos back to back to back. So, like, y'all will never get bored me. It's going to be, like, extreme content. And I'm going to be having a lot of videos back to back to back. So, y'all ain't going to never run out of videos from me. Because I be watching YouTubers. And I hate when they don't drop new videos. But I'm always thinking of a new video idea. I'm always working, editing a new video. So, if you already watched the video and ain't no more video too much more, trust to believe. I'm either making a video or editing a video. Or a video is literally uploading. Like, I make videos all day, every day. Like, I make videos in the same day. They may drop on different days, but yeah, I be trying to upload this content, like, y'all know, and I be getting my hair done and stuff. I be doing stuff, so I can't be doing it all freaking day. I can't tend to just one thing or one person. But you guys, yeah. So that's all, you guys, for today's video. And please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and share this with other people. So peace for you, babies.
Want no smoke with me? Been turn this motherfucker up 800 degrees. Whole team eat chefs 'cause she's a treat. Ooh, she's so bougie.